Right here in this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can save all your WhatsApp bulk contacts with just one click, even without lifting a finger. I've been using these cool features on WhatsApp and it has helped me a whole lot in my WhatsApp marketing game, saving almost 50% of my work progress. Now I'll be giving you all these tools and apps at the end of this video. In return, like this video and subscribe and turn on bell notification. I'll wait for you to do that. Thank you very much. Now let's move down to the video. If you're a business owner, an entrepreneur, internet marketer, or affiliate marketer, you will want to sit tight in this video because this is what you need to automate your business. This is going to change your marketing game. Okay, so you can't just be saving content one after the other, where there's a process that you can sit down and allow the system save all the content for you without doing any much work. Now this tool helps save all your content automatically. Anybody that message you for the first time, so any strange number or any unknown number that message you, this tool helps you automatically save this contact even when someone calls you. So with that said, I'll take you to my screen right now, showing you how you can automate this process and how you can do this WhatsApp marketing game for yourself. So let's go. Okay guys, welcome to the screen of my phone and welcome to this WhatsApp automation tutorial or WhatsApp marketing tutorial. So we'll be going straight to the video right now. So at the end of this video, I'll be telling you how you can get this very tool from me, because this very tool is not what you can get from Play Store. So I'll be telling you how you can get this very tool directly from me. I'm going to be giving you for free. So the first thing to do is to come to the app or the tool we are going to be using. So this is the application right now. As you can see, let me show you so that you can know that this is what I'll be using, and it has been so effective for me and it has helped me a whole lot in my WhatsApp marketing game. As you can see, these are contact it has helped me saved. Okay, these are contacts. All right, as you can see, these are contact, and these are different contact on different categories. Okay, so these are the contact right now. These are the contact. These are the contact. I'm still scrolling. Okay, I've been using this and it has been working very well for me, and it has saved me a whole lot of. As you can see, these are more contact. 300 contact, 295 contact, 120, 140 something, and thereabout. These are contacts right now. So for the sake of this video and for the sake of you, I'm going to be reinstalling this app. Like, I'm going to be deleting it and reinstalling it so that we can go through afresh from the beginning, step by step, how you can do this from the beginning, setting it up and automating it for your WhatsApp marketing game. So once you install your app, you are going to be landing here. So the first thing is to register your name and your phone number, or you can easily use Google. As you can see right here, you can either sign in with Google or you can sign in with your number, then you put your name here. So anyone that is preferable for you, you can make use of it. So I just come here and write my name. I'm going to type in my name right here. Then I'm going to type in my number. First of all, you have to change this from Indian to Nigeria. So you just click on this flag. Then you're going to look for your country. If you are from Togo, Cameroon, France, wherever country you are, you have to select your country. So I'm from Nigeria. I'll click on Nigeria. Then I'm going to put the number I'm going to be using for this. So you can just go ahead and type in your number. Then you are going to allow this. Then they are going to send you a verification code on your phone number, which is OTP. So once they send you an OTP number, you are going to input the OTP number. Then you are going to be having your account ready. Now the first thing to do is to grant this very tool permission in your phone. Okay, you are going to allow it to be able to perform on the background. Okay, in that way, when someone messages you on WhatsApp, even when your phone is not on WhatsApp, okay, it's going to save on that many your network is on. Okay, or when someone calls you, it's going to automatically save that number. Now the first way to do this is the app or the tool is going to prompt you to granting permission. So once you sign in or once you sign up, the application is going to pop up a permission notification. So you are going to just go ahead and allow it. It's going to take you to your settings and you are going to allow it. But if you don't see that notification, because people use different device and different device has their different specifications, if you don't see that notification comes up immediately you sign up, the thing to do is just come over to your settings. Then you are going to come over to your applications. As you can see, the applications and notifications. So you come over there and you are going to look for the very app. Click on it and you are going to go to permissions, and you are going to enable all these permission: contact, phone, storage, and call log. Okay, make sure every permission is permitted. Once you are done with that, you are going to come here and you are going to be having your account ready. So what we are going to do right now is to go to the settings. That's the next place to go. So once you are here, they are going to ask you to enable every stuff you are seeing right here. The first one is to enable on to save contact. Okay, that means to enable the tool to save contact on your phone. The other one is to enable incoming call. That means you want to enable people that calls you or no number that calls you to be automatically saved. And the last one here is to enable WhatsApp. That means you want to enable WhatsApp to automatically save contact that message you. Okay, any new contact, I mean, not old contact you have saved before. You are going to go ahead and enable this very one. That means to enable the auto save contact, enable incoming call, and enable WhatsApp. You want to enable all of them. All right, you're going to go back. We are done with here. So the next thing to do right now is to add group. Okay, so let me explain what we call group for you. Now, to be able to save contact, you have to add specific group. That means specific category of the contact you want to save. As you can see right here, these are groups. Okay, these are groups of contact. Okay, as you can see, this first one right here, this first one is new peeps. Okay, if I come to new peeps, I'm going to be seeing new peeps 1, new peeps 2, new peeps 3, new peeps 4, new peeps 5, so on to 61, and these are contact of people. All right, so anybody that message me, if I have to mark this very one, so anybody that message me, if I select this default group, so anybody that message me right now is going to save his contact as new peep 62, new peep 63, so on and so forth. All right, so if I want to click it, I'll click it. So the first thing to do right now is to come over here. Once you have already enabled everything, now there's the third step, is to come over here to create a group. Just click on this very icon right here and create a group. So once you click on here, it's going to create a group for you. Now this group is the category of numbers you are saving. Let's imagine you are running an ads. Okay, you are running an ads for your business, and the prospects you are running ads to are prospects who you are selling. Maybe you are selling a makeup kit for them. You can just save this as makeup prospects or makeup leads. Okay, you can just save it as makeup leads. Okay, and it's going to be hard right here. Now the next thing to do, which is the last step to do, is to make it as default. Okay, right now this is the default. This new peeps is the default. Okay, anybody that message me is going to be saving as new peeps 62 and all of that. So for you to enable this, you have to hold it. So once you hold it, it's going to pop up this very menu. Okay, you are going to select as default group. So once you select as default group, it's going to be highlighted with the green tick, meaning this is the new default group. So anybody that message you is going to be saving it as makeup leads 1, makeup leads 2, makeup leads 3, leads 4, makeup leads 5, so on, 200, 500, as many people that message you from that very campaign. So the next thing to do right now is to try this out so that you can see that this is working perfectly. So right now my WhatsApp number is not saved on my phone, and I'm going to search for my other WhatsApp number. This is it right here, and I'm going to message the number hello. Then I'm going to message it this way. So I'm going to go back to my other WhatsApp to confirm it. As you can see, this number just messaged me right now. As you can see, it's not saved on my phone. All right, as you can see, this is the number right here. So we are going to wait and see the magic happens. As you can see right here, it just save it as makeup leads 1. So immediately it saved this number as makeup leads 1. The next person, makeup leads 2, makeup leads 3, makeup leads 4. Now you don't have to even lift your finger and save any contact. So this is how you can save all your WhatsApp contact without lifting a finger or doing much work. All right, now this is how you can get the WhatsApp tool from me, or this very tool we mentioned in this video. So now this is how you can get it from me. Just comment in the comment section below, WhatsApp marketing automation. All right, this is where I will know that you watch this video to the end, then I will send you the access to this very tool to you in the comment section. So thanks for watching again. If you have not subscribed up till now, hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification so that you can receive new updates from this very channel. I release 2 videos every week. You don't want to miss out. And do well to like this video so that this video can get pushed to other people who need this very tool. Discover the biggest WhatsApp invention ever and learn how you can maximize the new WhatsApp community features and how you can explore it for maximum benefit in your marketing game. I'll see you in that video. Bye for now.